Very good, my friends. I have bought some graphite on AliExpress, and today we are going to put on test its conductivity. The graphite is pure carbon in a particular structure. Okay, let's go to the laboratory and test its conductivity. I have here the laboratory power supply that supplies DC power up to 30 volts. You can watch the video. I will leave you the card here. And also we are going to run very dangerous experiments that you don't have to try at home, because we are going to deal with 200 volts. And this is very and this is vale. And this is very dangerous, so never try these experiments at home. I have here a 220 volt LED light that we are going to power it through these two pencils, and we are going to connect this to 220 volts standard power. Have here 220 volts. We are going to connect it there, and we are going to see how the lights turn on. Well, I have never tried before, so let's see what happens. Whoa. I don't know. It worked for a second and then stops. We still have here 220 volt. Okay, this pencil is the problem. I don't know what happened with the pencil. Okay, I'm going to try now only with one pen. It should work with two pens, but it's okay. Whoa, look at that. The light is working properly. Here you see all the circuit, the cable, and electricity coming from here. I have one probe here, the other probe here. You can see 220 volts, and the light. It's working through the pen. Ha! What do you think about that, huh? It's not cool? Did you already know that a pen can do that? I didn't know it. I just discovered it. Second step, let's try to paint a circuit, and let's see if the LED light works. Let's see. I have here a piece of paper and a regular pencil. I'm going to write here a circuit, and then we are going to try to power on the LED light. I have to write very thick lines, like this. We have to put a lot of graphite there. I haven't seen anyone doing this with 220 volts, so I don't know if the paper is going to get on fire, or if it's not going to work, or what is going to happen. We will find it. Okay, the yellow lines are connected to 220 volts, not right now, but will be in few minutes. And we are going to connect here and here. And now the white lines are connected to the bulb that we have here. Okay, we are ready to go. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Okay, I'm going to try only with one line. Not much voltage made it to the other side. Whoa, only 40 volts, not enough to power the light bulb. Let's see what happens if we made the circuit even smaller. Not much improvement. Let's try now. Let's see. Whoa, the light has turned on. Our mini circuit is working. Not very efficient, but it's working. A paper circuit. Amazing, guys. Now we are going to pass very high intensity through the pencil, and let's see what happens with the graphite. The intensity is so high that the graphite is heating up. The graphite is using pencils, semiconductors, electronics, batteries, and also in nuclear reactors. The moderator of the Chernobyl reactor that exploded was made of graphite, and thousands of tons of contaminated graphite were exposed to the atmosphere. The graphite started to burn and spread the radioactivity around the world. Now the things are going to start to be harder. We are going to connect this graphite to 220 volts, full power. So it's going to get real hot, you will see. We are ready to go. We have a graphite bar here that is connected to 220 volts. Not right now, but it will be in few seconds. I think the circuit breaker of the house is going to pop up, but we will see what happens. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1, go! Yep, the circuit breaker just pop up. Okay, let's find something we can put there. And it's going to consume a lot of power, but the circuit breaker is not going to pop up. I have this heater here, and we are going to connect it in series with the graphite, and let's see what happens. Okay, the heater is in series with the graphite, and we are going to see what happens now. I'm expecting the graphite to get red hot, but I don't know. Okay, the heater is running full power, full heat. I'm going to try with a pencil. Let's see what happens. Let's try if it's hot. The section of the graphite is wide enough to deal with more than 1000 watts that consumes this electric heater. It's warm, but not hot. I can grab it, no problem. It's quite thick. Let's try with the pencil. Pencil is in position. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now yes. The fan is running. Yeah, but it's getting real hot. It's getting real hot. Whoa. Super hot. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Look at that, the graphite is getting red hot, yes, super hot. I'm going to drop this and we will break the circuit. Whoa. What's that? Whoa, this one is getting real hot. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.